Hey guys, Mapletail here. Have you heard? The cover for Warriors, The Broken Code, Book 4 has been revealed. Check it out. Darkness Within. Based on the blurb we got, that's likely our girl Squirrelflight pictured. Not who I was expecting, but I guess I kinda should have been, considering how important she's been lately. Hopefully they're not building to her death. The blurb also makes it sound as though we'll find out the identity of Bramblestar's possessor in Book 3, A Veil of Shadows. I certainly hope so. I don't know if I can wait much longer than that. Today I'm drawing a reimagined version of the cover of this new book, based on how the classic covers looked. I've always preferred the old covers to the reprinted ones, and I'm really curious how that sort of style would look for the books that never got them. I also wanted to talk about Veil of Shadows while I'm here. The prologue and chapter 1 have been released, and I need to talk about them. So, if you haven't read them, or don't want spoilers, you might want to mute or click away. Okay, so when I saw Shadowsight in the Allegiances, my heart soared. And then I read the chapters. He's really gone, isn't he? I'll sum it up for those who haven't read it yet. The prologue is from the perspective of Spiresight, and he watches Shadowsight being attacked and killed, like at the end of the Silent Thaw. Then, as if that wasn't enough, the attacker throws Shadowsight into a deep ravine between ThunderClan and SkyClan territories. The first chapter is where we left off in the Silent Thaw, with the Medicine Cats. Rootpaw shows them Bramblestar's ghost, but he's really faded and disappears quickly. Some of the cats believe what they've seen, and realize that the cat that's leading ThunderClan isn't Bramblestar. And some, stupidly in my opinion, think it's some kind of trick. I actually felt sick reading that prologue. I was so hoping Shadowsight's attacker was just going to damage Shadowsight's vocal cords so badly that he'd become mute, which would have been a really interesting plot point. But no. At least we'll probably get to see what's going on in StarClan now, unless he gets replaced by Squirrelflight as a protagonist, which would be unfortunate. At least the mint was explained, as the attacker used it to cover his scent. I'm pretty confident now that the attacker is possessed Bramblestar. I know many people have been suggesting Berrynose, but I don't think it's him for two reasons. The first is that Spiresight describes the attacker as being big and burly, which I don't think Berrynose has ever been described as such. Well, Bramblestar definitely has. Secondly, as terrible as Berrynose is, I just don't think he's capable of that kind of cold brutality. The blurbs from Veil of Shadows and The Darkness Within both mention a big battle. I can't help but think that it could, at least in part, be due to Shadowsight's death. I can only imagine what Tigerstar will do if he finds his son's body on the border between ThunderClan and SkyClan. That's all for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.